Hello. Today I am going to show you how to easily create a QR code. This is useful if you want to share resources with your students. A QR code can take you to a link that is not associated with an email address, making it accessible to just about anyone. I am preparing my students for their holiday concert. I want to send home a page of lyrics, and at the bottom I want to have a QR code that will take them to my YouTube playlist where they can hear the songs and sing along with them. I'm going to go into my search and type in QR code. The first one that comes up is www.qr-code-generator.com. It's super easy to use. First, I'm going to go to my playlist. I'm going to copy the link that I want to generate a QR code for. I'm going to paste my link right here, and I'm going to click Create QR Code. Here is my QR code. I'm going to click Download. It'll take a few seconds. When it does, I'm going to save it to my desktop because that's the easiest way for me to get it into my document. My document has been created in Google Docs. I'm going to print the document. I'm not going to share it electronically because not all of my students' families will be able to have access to it. By creating the QR code and pasting it onto my desktop, I can click and drag it into my document where I can print my document, and the QR code can be read by any device, a phone or a tablet that has a QR code reader. I'm opening my QR code. I'm going to take it, put it on my desktop, and then I'm going to drag it from my desktop to my document. Here's my document. And here's my QR code in my document. Now I can print this page, and all my students or their families have to do is use a QR code reader to read this code. It will automatically take them to my YouTube playlist with all of the songs on it. This is useful for any music teacher or any teacher who wants to be able to have their students go to a specific link. The ISTE standards that I've used are C.3.B and C.5.A. Thanks for watching.